SPB 217, so this is the first ADT room. I'm just going to do a quick little demonstration on the Crestron Airboards. So in this location there's two either side, they're not joined, they are separate units, and there's also a couple down the wall in the separate rooms as well, the adjoining rooms. Okay, so the way these work, there's a control panel on the front, as you can see, and on the top of there's a code, and there's an ID code as well on top of the boom arm, which has got a projector recorder on there as well. Okay, so first thing you have to do to get these interactive is to jump into a web browser and then just type in airboard / crestron.com, and that'll take you off to their main page. And then it gives you some interactive points to fill your content in. So if I put Paul, and then the ID for the machine on this one is QSGTSS. So QSG TSS, and then go down to the enter the code, so it's 28 / 04 / 22. Okay, now it's asked us to make the link between the board and the PC. So you see this is flashing, we just press that once, and that screen is linked. And if you look back onto the desktop now, you can see on the top that SPB 217 Airboard 2 is live. Okay. So the way the system records, it uses the little camera on top here. It recognises the full width of the board, and as you draw using a dry whiteboard marker pen, not a permanent whiteboard marker pen, it records your actions on the screen. So at the moment, if I just put on here, hello, and if I just turn around now, you can see it refreshing. So there's a couple of seconds delay. So if I just draw a quick squiggle line on there, just to see the speed of the machine, you can see it coming through onto the desktop. So once you've done that screen as well, once you've done your drawings on your whiteboard and you want to save that, a couple of options. You can download that as a snapshot. So just click on the snapshot option. Let's open that for you just to show you. So there's a snapshot option there. Or if you just go back to the screen again, you can download that as a PDF as well, slide PDF. And there's your PDF as well recorded. So that's connecting the boards, the airboards via the browser on the machine itself, on the desktop, on the lecterns. To remove it, use the cloth supplied just to rub off as you would with your normal dry whiteboards.